Hello children, how are you all? Welcome back to this maths class. Now, what is written here? Subtraction. Yes? Now, we are going to do this new topic and Miss will explain to you and you have to pay attention. Yes? We have already done addition previously. Now, we are going to do this new topic of subtraction. But before that, we are going to do the revision. Now, today what revision we are going to do? We are going to do the revision of put the correct sign. This sign is of less than, greater than and then equal to. Yes? Do you remember when we did this previously? And we all are familiar with this signs. So, now let's see. Now, this number is 23 and here 19. Now, as I have taught you previously, you have to see this first number, and if both the numbers, first numbers are similar, then you have to see the next number, that which is big or small. Now, here there is number 2 and here there is number 1. So, number 2 comes after number 1. So, after numbers are always greater numbers. Yes? Do you remember this? Miss taught you previously. So, 2 is greater than 1, that is 23 is greater than 19. So, we are going to put the greater sign. Do you remember that alligator Charlie who had opened his mouth towards the bigger number? Yes. So, the bigger number is 23 and the open mouth will be towards 23. So, 23 is greater than 19. Okay. Now, the next number 34 and 48. Now, this is number 3 and here is number 4. Now, 3 and then 4. So, 4 comes after number 3. So, 3 is before number 4. So, it is a smaller number. It is less than. Yes. So, the open mouth will be this side and the closed mouth will be this side. So, 34 is less than 48. Yes, you all know this lesson very nicely. Now, let's see few other numbers also. Now, 13 and 45. Number 1 and number 4. You all know number 1, that is the smallest number. So, number 13 will be the smaller one. So, the closed mouth towards number 13 and the open mouth towards number 45. Now, here also there is 1. Here also there is 1, here 2 and here 2, number 12 and number 12. 12 and 12 both are equal. When both the numbers are equal, we cannot compare which is big or small. So, we have to put the sign equal to. Yes, because both the numbers are similar, both the numbers are same. Now, next number, here there is number 1 and this is number 24, but you all know very well number 1 is the smallest one. So, the closed mouth will be towards number 1 and this is the greater one. So, the open mouth is towards number 24. Now, the next one we will move ahead 9 and 8. So, when you say number 1 to 10, which number comes first? 9 or 8? We say 8 and then we say 9, isn't it? So, 9 comes after. So, after numbers are always a greater number. So, the open mouth will be towards number 9. So, 9 is greater than number 8. Now, the last one 8 and 8. Both the numbers are same. Both the numbers are similar. So, it will be equal to sign. Okay. Now, have I to explain again? No, because now you all know this very well. Before also we had done, this was just the revision part of the put the correct sign. Now, we are going to move ahead with the new topic, that is subtraction, that is the minus one. Subtraction means taking away. When we take away something, we are cutting off from that group, that is called subtraction. And the minus, see this is a sign, the dash. In plus, in addition we were doing this sign. In minus we have to do only this sign. Yes, this is the minus sign, shows subtraction. This shows that you have to cut. Yes, it is not this sign, not the plus sign. Plus means you have to add. This is the minus, so you have to take away. Subtraction means to take away. Suppose I have got 5 chocolates and your sister is crying and you want to give 2 chocolates to her. So 1 and 2 you gave it to her, isn't it? So you have got that many chocolates less because you have taken away 2 chocolates from this 5 number and you have given it to your sister. So now how many are remaining? Number 3. Yes. So this taking away is called subtraction. This taking away is called minus. Okay. Now we will see more examples of this. See, on this road, how many red cars you can see? There are red cars on the road. Yes. Now, how many are there? 3. Yes. See, 1, 2 and 3. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. So, there are 3 cars on the road. Now this is the signal. So, they have stopped. Now, one by one they will move ahead. So, let's see. See, one car has gone. Now, let's see if any other cars are moving. Second one also is gone. So, how many went away? Only 1 is remaining. How many cars went away? 2. Yes. So, first there were 3 and then 2 cars went away on the other side of the road. So, we have minus 2. And now how many are remaining? Only 1. This is remaining on the road. So, 1 is the answer. Did you follow? There were 3 cars before, then 2 went away and then 1 is remaining. Okay. So, this is called 3 minus 2. This is mental calculation we always do in the sleeping line. Okay. Now, the next one. There are 4, see, ships on the water. Yes. You can see in this water all this 4 ships. Now, how many are there? Again we will count. I have told you 4, but again you have to count so that we may not make any mistake. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many are there? 4. Okay. Now, let's see if any other they are going away. See, 1, yes, 1 left, 2 also left. So, how many went away? 2. Yes. Now, how many are remaining? 1 and 2. So, the answer will be 2. First there were 4, then we cut 2. So, the remaining is the answer. Yes. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now, see here so many caterpillars. Yes. See all this green, they are smiling nicely. Now, how many are there? First we will count. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, let's see how many are there? 7. Yes, we have counted correctly. Now, let's see if anyone else wants, any caterpillar is going away. Now, none of them are going away. So, we have put 0, isn't it? 7 minus 0. 0 means what? No numbers. Yes, we are not going to cancel any number. 7 minus 0. When it is with the 0, you will get the answer, the number itself, because 0 we are not going. See here all the caterpillars are as they are before. There are 7 number, there are 7 standing as nicely before. Yes. So, the answer will be 7. 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Understood, children? 0 means nothing. We have not cut any number. So, when you minus 0, you will get the answer. Whatever number it is, we will get the answer itself. Now, the next, see all these baby elephants. Yes. See, they are so happy, smiling at everyone. See. Now, let's see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many baby elephants? 6. Yes. Now, let's see if anyone is going away to play somewhere else. Now, see 1 went away. Yes. Only 1 went away. Now, how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, 5 is the answer. Yes. First there were 6 baby elephant and how many went away? Only 1. She didn't want to play with all this other 5. So, she went away. Then how many were remaining? 5. So, 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Are you all enjoying this? Yes, this is very easy because you have to only cut from that first number you have to cut that much, that whichever number is shown here, that many numbers you have to cut from this first number. Yes, see here there was 6, then we cut 1 and then you got the answer 5. Oh, see bunny rabbits. Yes, we will count them first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many are there? 5. Yes, 5. Now let's see if we have to cut any of them. Now we are not going to cut any. 5 minus 0. So when I have told you when there is 0, we don't cut anything. This 5 remains as they are. The number 5 itself only is the answer. The number what is here, that only will be the answer. If here it is 3 minus 0, then you will get here 3, because 0 is nothing, no numbers. Yes. Now we will move ahead. See colorful balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many balls are there? 8. We have counted them and we have got number 8. Now let's see how many to cut, how many to minus. Yes, we are going to minus 2. As I have told you, from this number we are going to cut that many number. This is number 2. So from 8 we are going to cut number 2. Yes, so from this 8 balls we are going to cut how many balls? 2. We are going to minus how many balls? 2 balls. So see, you are going to cut, see, 1 and then 2. Yes, because here we have got number 2. So from all this 8 we have cancelled how many balls? 2. Now let's count how many are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So whatever number remains without cutting, that is the answer. So 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. Oh, yummy juicy mangoes. Yes. Now we will count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many mangoes are there? 6. Now let's see how many to cut. We will cut 6 because we all love to eat mangoes. So we all of us will take away all the mangoes. 1, 1. Yes. So we are going to minus all the 6. So from this 6 we are going to cut all the 6 numbers. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, because here first there were 6 mangoes, and how many mangoes we are supposed to cut? 6. And so we have put cross on all the 6 mangoes. We have cut, we have minus, from 6 we have minus 6. So now you can see any other mangoes there? No. So the answer is 0. 6 minus 6 is 0. And when there is similar number, even without counting, you must know the similar number, you will get the answer 0. Like how I have told you with the 0, 7 minus 0, when you have to minus 0, you will get the number itself as answer. And here when the similar numbers are there, you will get the answer 0, because 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. When similar numbers, we get the answer 0. Now we are going to count this on our fingers. Now what number is written here? 5. Yes. Now we are going to minus number 4. So children, show me your 5 fingers. Now this number 4 we are going to cut. We are going to minus. So start counting with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now how many numbers are remaining? Number 1. So 5 minus 4 is equal to number 1. Yes. Now next one, 6 minus 2. So first we will take 6 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Even if you don't count this 5, you must know that there are 5 fingers on this hand. So you have to count this as 5 and then 1, 6. So you can do the minus very quickly. Okay. 6 minus 2. So how many we will cut? 2 or 1? Here what number is written? 2. So we will cut 2. So 1 and 2. Now how many fingers you can see? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yes, so 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Now 8 minus 0, as I have told you, when there is 0, the answer is here only. Yes. So you don't have to sit and take 8 fingers and then you don't have to count any. So 8 minus 0, the answer is 8. Yes, the number itself. Now we will move ahead with few more. 9 minus 2, first we will count 9 fingers. As I have told you, this is 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, these are 9 fingers. Now how many fingers we have to cut? 2. 1 and 2. Yes, we have cut these 2 fingers. Now how many are remaining? This is 5, 6 and 7. So 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. The answer is 7. In this mental calculation, you don't have to put 0, you don't have to put lines here and cut, you have to do on your fingers only. Yes. Now 3 minus 3, as I have told you earlier, when there are similar numbers, you don't have to count, the answer will be 0. When both the numbers are similar, the answer will be 0. But still, for you, if you make mistake, now let's count them. 3 means you have to take 3 fingers. Now you have to minus 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So nothing is remaining. As I have told you, 3 minus 3, the answer is 0. Yes, similar number, the answer will be 0. Now here one more. 9 minus 4. Now again we will take 9 fingers. First these are 5. Yes, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are again 9 fingers. And the next number is number 4. We are going to minus number 4. So see this hand, there are number 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we are going to cut them all. Yes, we are going to minus them all. Now how many fingers are remaining? As I have told you, you must know in this one hand how many fingers are there? 5. So it goes fast. You have to remember all this. And if you want to count also, no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the answer is number 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Okay children, so did you follow all these examples of taking away, of minusing? Yes, now we will do in a square line book. As I have taught you, you have to do according to what Miss is doing in your square line book. Now children, now we are going to do all these whatever we have learned, mental calculation, that is subtraction. About mental calculation we have done previously before in the before slides. Now we are going to do in the square line book. You are going to write this heading, and whichever date you are doing, you are supposed to write the date here. Okay, don't forget to write the date. Now we are going to do all this on our fingers, as I have told you. Now which number is written here? 2. So show me 2 fingers. Yes, now it is very easy for you. 2. Now which number is here? 1. So this is the which sign? Minus sign. So 2 minus 1. From 2 number we are going to minus 1. So now how many are remaining? How many fingers? 1. So we will write here the answer 1. Yes. Okay. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now 3 minus 0. So if you want to do 3 fingers also, no problem, but as I have taught you, 0 means nothing. You don't have to cut anything from this number. So the answer will be this number itself. So 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. Yes, we will write here 3. Now the next one, number 5, and here there is number 4. From 5 we are going to minus number 4. So show me 5 fingers. Yes, very good. Now you don't sit to count all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 fingers. Okay. Now we are going to cut 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many fingers are remaining? 1. Only 1 finger is here. Yes. From 5 when we minus 4, when we cut 4, we get only 1 number. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now the next one, 6 minus 6. And here also I have told you, you don't have to sit to cut. When there are similar number, the answer will be, what the answer will be? Tell me, who will tell me? Yes, everyone knows that the answer will be 0. When there are similar number, when you have to cut all the numbers, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now, what number is here? 7. Yes. Now, from 7, how many numbers we have to minus? 5. So, show me 5 fingers, then 6 and 7. These are 7 fingers. Now, how many numbers we have to cut? What number is written here? 5. So, we will cut all this 5, isn't it? These are 5. So, we have to cut 5. We will cut away this 5. And how many fingers are remaining? 2. 1 and 2. So, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Okay. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Yes. Now, the next one. 8 minus 6. So, now we are going to count our 8 fingers. Yes, then only we can minus 6. Now, these are 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, now these are 8 fingers, 5, 6, 7 and 8, because here there is 8. Now, how many we have to cut? 6. So, this is 5 and 6. Now, how many fingers are remaining? 2. Yes. So, 8 minus 6, what number we got? 2. Yes. So, we will write here 2. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. Now, the next one. 9 minus 0. Now, 0 means what will be the answer? The same number. Yes. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. The number itself is the answer. Okay, children. So, now this all you have to keep on practicing. Subtraction means to cut away, taking away from something. Yes, as I have told you, as I have given you so many examples, there were balls and there were 5 balls, we have cut 2 and then the remaining is the answer. On the first slide, we saw that 3 cars were standing on the road and then 2 went away. So, then how many were remaining? 1. So, when the cutting down from that many number, that is called minus. Taking away is called minus. Okay. There are 5 apples in one basket and 3 of them have been spoiled. So, 3 mummy will throw away. 5 and then 1, 2 and 3. This 3 apples mummy threw away. We have taken away. So, how many are remaining? 2. So, that 2 we have minus. From 5 we have minus 3. Yes. So, 2 is the answer. So, in the same way you have to keep on minusing from that first number, you will get the answer. Mental calculation and subtraction is that only that you have to take away, you have to cut. Okay. And the sign of minus is this sleeping line. Okay. The sign of minus is this, not this. This is plus, that is addition, what we have learned before. This is the minus sign. So, keep on practicing all this in your textbook. Yes, that is workbook, and this all in your square line book also. Okay. So, children, practice in the square line book, in your workbook. Yes. Now, this was very easy topic. Okay. Then continue playing with numbers. Bye. See you.